What's up, guys? J-Rock here. Just picked this up today, just in 2019 Stella. I chose to get the 8000HGC. That's the 2019 model. They're trickling in. Local tackle shops, people that carry them, they're here, boys. They're here. Let's unbox. We're going to do an unboxing quick. I've been dying to see this thing. Stella literature, instructions, parts, full schematics. Here we go. Crank arm. Get into that in a second. Stella bag. Ooh, she is nice. Stella. Oh, Stella. We got some Stella oil right here. Stella oil. We got some parts, some washers. We have probably an extra piece for the crank arm, maybe the part that threads into the reel. Extra piece in case you somehow bend it or damage it or what. That's cool, they gave you that. Line keeper, really cool. Like these things. Shimano, keep your line intact and not everywhere. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh boy, Stella. Ooh, very nice. Oh yes, super smooth, just what I was going to expect. I mean, that thing reels itself. Definitely smoother than even last year. Beautiful. Oh, Stella drag. Yeah, different power knob. Pretty cool. Gold. I don't even know. Dark metallic blue, navy blue, midnight blue, what you want to call it. Pretty similar to the 2018 model that I actually still have that is leaving me because I chose to get this one. 55 pounds of drag. We have this model this year is just about 2 ounces lighter. This weighs in at 22 ounces even. The previous model, same model, 8000, weighed 23.8 ounces. So big difference in weight, which is big to me. I mean, a couple ounces here and I'll take it. Big for this year. Infinity drive. It's new internal gearing with the worm gear and the drive gears. Everything's tighter, quieter, more powerful. They increased cranking power 28%, just about 30% on this reel, on the new Stellas. That's big. I mean, that's just more power for you, more power, lighter. Another big thing, which is they put a heat sink under into the spool, into the drag system. Tough drag. This is gonna keep, the heat sink's gonna keep everything cool on big fish. When huge fish are peeling line, they're ripping line off your reel. It's going to cool down, the heat sink's going to cool down the surface temp of the spool by 100 degrees. That's awesome. I mean, that's gonna make things so they don't fail. Cooler drag is a better drag. Don't want that thing getting too hot, so that's going to eliminate that. I guess one of the biggest things to me and a lot of people, it's going to be that this reel is IPX8, and what that means is it's a standard they got. It's going to be sealed. You can submerge this reel. It's going to be sealed up to over a meter, over 3 feet. For 30 minutes you could submerge this for, and that would never happen unless I drop this thing in the water. So that's going to be awesome. It's going to be IPX8, sealed, submergible. Not that you would want to do it, but at least you know it's safe. Things are protected, which is great. Big ceiling, cranking power up 30%, heat sink drag. The weight is lowered by 2 ounces over previous models on this new year. It's beautiful. It's smooth. It's got the Stella drag. Oh, it sounds so good. I even got the last year's model right over here. Let's see. This is 2018. This is the older one. Very nice still. A little heavier, but just wanted to get it so you guys, you can compare them a little. The colors are about the same. Spool cutouts, a little different design in here and there. We got some different details going on, but pretty much outside appearance pretty similar. Different power knob, cool power knob. They made it even better, and I'm happy about that. Can't wait to use it, and just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys. 42 inches per crank on this model. Same as last year. Inch per crank's the same, line capacity is the same. You'll be able to get 340 yards of 40 pound on here. 265 of 50. So that's enough for me. I'm choosing to go a little on the lighter side. It's definitely going to be overkill for what I need it for. I'm going for bass, but still, it's a Stella. I just wanted to finally get one and have a super nice reel, and I'm just super happy to get my hands on one. Yeah, that's it. It's a 2019 Stella. Look for them. It's going to be a winner, like always. Thanks for tuning in. Peace, everybody. Tight lines.